Hello guys, did you come through an error stating, you must reset your rank and unlocks to continue, error in Modern Warfare 3? If yes, then don't go anywhere and follow the methods discussed here to troubleshoot the error, so let's begin.
But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Method 1. Restart MW3, console, PC. Well, the very first trick that is suggested before you jump to any other solution is to restart your MW3 game or PC or your console. It has the potential to fix any temporary glitch and you can play the game again. But if restarting does not help you, move to next method. Method 2. Check server status. The error can occur due to server downtime as some maintenance work may be going on. So you should wait until the server-related issue gets fixed. Method 3. Check internet connection. To play the game smoothly, a strong network connection is always required. So if there is an unstable connection, then it can lead to the error. So make sure your connection is strong enough without any fail. Method 4. Delete console cache or verify game files. If you are playing the game via console, then delete the system cache to fix the issue, whereas PC users need to verify integrity of game files to resolve the issue. Method 5. Rebuild database. PlayStation users only. Console users who are getting this kind of error on Modern Warfare 3 game, it's recommended to rebuild database as it can delete system data and resolves the problem easily. Method 6. Reinstall MW3 game. When the error continues, then reinstalling Modern Warfare 3 game is one of the best solution. This process will give a fresh start to the game and hopefully fixes the error without further problem. Method 7. Contact Activision support. Even after trying the before methods, if still the error exists, then you should seek help from Activision support. They will suggest you steps to fix the error or they will try to resolve it from their end. Finally, these are the possible fixes for reset your rank and unlocks error in MW3, and I hope you have got out of it.